Welcome. In front of me is an Alcatel Idol 5, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from SD card to the phone or vice versa. So for this example, I'm just going to use a couple of photos. And to begin, you want to open up the Downloads app right here. Then tap on the three dots and go to either your SD card or the phone storage, depending on where your files are. So my files are located on the device itself. That's where I'm going to go. And if you're trying to move photos, videos that you have captured with the device, they will be located under the DCIM folder. Screenshots will be located under Pictures. Downloads will contain anything that you have downloaded on the device. And then other folders are usually you would place stuff in there yourself, so probably you know that it's in there. So I'm going to go into the DCIM and then Camera, where I have the background, basically screen behind the phone that I have captured, and that's what I'm going to be moving as an example. So number one, you want to select the files that you wish to move by just simply holding the first one, and then it becomes checked, and you can tap on additional ones to add them on. Once you selected them, tap on the three dots and choose to either copy or move them. Now if you choose to move, they will be completely removed from where they are right now and move to the new designated location. And if you choose copy, they will stay right here while an additional set of the same files will be created and moved to the location of your choice. So I'm going to select move, and from there I want to go into the SD card because that's basically the photos were on the phone itself, so I want to move them to a completely different location. That's why I chose SD card. And from here you can create new folder. So let's just create one like so. And whenever you are in the location that you want to place the files in, just tap on move. And you can see that's the previous folder that they were in, and they got removed from here. And now I can find them in the SD card FF right here. So they got moved over here. And the same process works for any kind of other file. You do the same exact steps to move or copy different kind of types of files. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.